Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change Bluetooth name in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and go to Bluetooth. And if you turn on Bluetooth, your phone device name will be displaying to another device for scanning as your model name. That is iQOO Z9s 5G will be displaying as the name for your phone. Okay, that is Bluetooth name for your phone. Okay, if you would like to change it to another name, that is custom name. Suppose if you would like to use your name, your business name to be displayed there, yes, you can just select this device name and delete the available text and write your own text. Just I am deleting and just I type my website name called www.facultyon.com. facultyon.com. Yes, you can include anything here. It is your wish. Just click on rename so that this device will be named as now www.facultyon.com. If any other device scan this signal, www.facultyon.com will be displayed to them. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.